Welcome back to Booze on the Rocks. My name is David Edwards. Today I'm going to use some of these and one of these to make this, the blueberry lemonade. But first, this. Alright, so let's get into some history. Now, lemonade first appeared in Paris in August 20th of 1630, and this was made of sparkling water, lemon juice, and honey. Now, the vendors sold it from tanks strapped to their back. And lemonade became so popular and so fashionable in Paris that in 1676, those same vendors incorporated and formed a union called the Compagnie de Lemonade. Now, Britain's contribution to this lemonade craze came by way of chemist Joseph Priestley, who invented an apparatus for making carbonated water. But by the 1780s, Johann Schwepp developed a new method of carbonation. Now, he used a compression pump that made mass production much more efficient. So by the 1830s, Schwepp's fizzy lemonade had slowed and basically stopped the growth of Europe's lemonade stand. Now come across the pond to us, and lemonade had made its way here to North America along with waves of European immigrants. So later during the Victorian era, the women's temperance movement of this time pushed lemonade as an alternative to alcohol. I don't understand, it doesn't make sense, right? But from 1877 to 1881, the White House banned alcohol from all of its state dinners and other functions. And President Hayes made that decision himself as a way to court the Prohibition Party. So critics of the ban blamed his wife Lucy and nicknamed her Lemonade Lucy. She was a well-known teetotaler. So as long as we've had alcohol, we've put it in everything, including lemonade. Now, blueberry lemonade has been a thing for a while, so let's add some booze to it and see where it takes us. All right, so let's get into making the blueberry lemonade. And the first thing, of course, I need is my shaking glass. We also need approximately 12 blueberries. The next thing, of course, you want is a little bit of a muddle. I'm going to use my muddler here, and I'm just going to break these down. And you don't have to do too much because they are going to get pulverized when we shake this. So I'm just going to wipe this down. I, of course, need 2 ounces of rum. And for this, I'm using Lamb's white rum. Now, this is a 40% rum. And we need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. We need a little bit of a simple syrup after that. And we need 3/4 of an ounce. Now 3/4 of an ounce works out to 22.5 milliliters. But no, we're not done. We need fresh lemon juice. And we need 1.5 ounces. 1.5 ounces works out to 45 milliliters. And when you can, always try and use some fresh lemon juice. So we've got that. Now we need a little bit of ice in here. I'll use a couple of nice big chunks of ice. And we're going to shake this for a good 10 to 15 seconds. We need 1 Collins glass. You could use a bigger glass if you want, or a different shape. Again, how you want to present the glass is totally up to you. Where's my Hawthorne strainer? Ah, there it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Hawthorne strainer and I'm going to close the gate, which is just basically pushing it down like that. And we're going to it's a nice looking color. And of course, now we need sparkling water or soda, whatever you want to call it. Here I'm going to use Canada Dry Club Soda. Now this is unfortunately, it's a lemon club soda. It's all I had available, so it should add very nicely with the lemon juice. So of course, I need to garnish this. And for that, I want to use a lemon, like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut a nice little lemon wheel here. And we're gonna slide this just into the back like so. So it's gonna look nice. And I'm gonna use my straw because I wanna make sure I can give this a bit of a stir. I have a nice consistent color. Looks very, very nice. Oh, that is very good. The rum comes through, the lemon, which is the hero, just and the blueberry just gives it that nice twist and that color. It almost looks like a pink lemonade, but the blueberries come through enough that it wouldn't be a pink lemonade. Oh yeah. While you're sitting on your back desk over the next little while, because you're stuck at home, this is perfect. This is a great summer, spring, any time of the year drink. And you know what? I recommend it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method for how to make this down in the description below. If you think we should use a different rum, white rum, your choice. Let me know in the comments, please. But if this is your first time to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way, every time I place a new video, you'll be notified. And if you don't like a good lemonade, hit the thumbs down button twice. And we'll see you next time. Lemonade became so fashionable in Paris that in 1676, the vendors, they formed a union and called it. All right, so let's get into some history. Now, the lemonade debate, but from 1877 to 1888, it's 81.